like had these conversations before, but like I'm a nerd, right? And like I wear that on my sleeve, not like literally, but you know, figure of
You
speech.
should get a tattoo that says I'm a nerd.
I mean, this one's the cancer ribbon, but yeah, this arm's clean.
You have a tattoo?
I have two
You
tattoos
should have told me this. My
on my
dad.
back and on my arm. I got this one on my mom, not right now because I have class to teach, but
So you can say you got a tattoo.
yes, thank you for catching the joke. So I need this number line on your paper because I want to share one of my favorite games with you. I'm not making this up. Like this is just me being a nerd. Space Base. In Space Base, you are gonna deploy spaceships so that on those number rolls, so we're gonna roll 2 dice, right? Like a lot of games we know. When that number happens, you get a bonus. Whether it's points or an extra spaceship or some victory points, or like there's a few different bonuses you could get. Don't worry about what kind of bonuses. We're just going to practice what would happen. So in Space Base, you have your fleet of ships. But then as the game happens, you decide you're going to deploy some ships so that you can get the bonuses when those numbers come up. So you're going to deploy however many ships you want. So you could deploy multiple ships on the same number. But how we're going to play and start learning how to do Space Base is if I put 3 ships on the number 3 and a 3 comes up, we're going to put a check mark in one of our number 3 bonuses. The goal is get all of them checked off. So on the first 3, I'm like, yeah, I got 2 left. On the next 3, woo, got 1 more. On the third 3, awesome, got them all. The next 3, I'm like, Womp, I already got all my 3s. I can't do anything else. So if I only have 2 spots on 8, once 8 comes up twice, 8 happens again, nothing. I'm just waiting for different dice rolls. I got 1 over on 12. I'm waiting for a 12 to happen to get that bonus, right? But you're going to place 10 circles on here, either above or below your number line. Wherever you feel like placing them, I'm feeling a little bit odd today. What's gonna happen is the first person, hold up, the first person who checks off, or I guess you can shade in, some people ask us, we're like, can I shade? I don't care. The first person to get all 10 of your bonuses taken care of gets a sucker. Then the next round, we'll change up the rules just a tiny bit. What do you mean? You're just placing circles. If the dice roll that number, you get that bonus. So we're going to use a generator, and we're going to roll these dice, and the computer is going to make sure it's random. No, you can put however many you want. So you're placing 10 circles, right? I'm a professional repeater. You're placing 10 circles above whatever numbers you think will happen when we roll 2 dice and add up the results. So like Monopoly or games you've probably already played, roll 2 dice, add them up. Now, technically, Space Base is a bit more complicated than that, but I'm just trying to teach you guys, like, beginner level. But you're competing against each other. Don't tell people your strategy.
Your table mate?
In this round, it's everybody for themselves.
How many dice are there?
10 circles. What?
How many dice are there?
2. 2 dice, adding them up. 2 dice, adding them up. 2 dice, adding them up.
I got some
I feel
pretty
good.
good about one.
Na. All right, I'm just making sure we got plenty of dots.
Okay.
All right.
Why is 1 a factor?
Would you stop? Gosh.
Well, that's a good question. Trying to make everybody lose?
No, I think she's trying to make people win. All right. I need more coffee, so we're going to do 1 roll so you guys can make sure that everyone's doing the right thing. This doesn't count because they're just sitting there. So roll number 1, and like for it to count, I need you guys to announce what we get as a total. Now don't try to calculate so fast that you like shout out the wrong number, otherwise it's kind of funny, which is okay. We can, we all get things wrong. But hey, if somebody shouts out the wrong number, no shame, no making them feel bad. We're just trying to do this fast, and sometimes speed is not our friend. So I'm gonna do this and say 4 and 3, and you guys say 7. And if you have a 7, you put a check mark on your 7. I'm gonna keep track over here.
Wait, did we count that?
Yeah, so that one counts. So I'm gonna keep track to make sure that one counted. Yeah. So if you had a 7, check it off. Does this make sense? Any questions? All right. So our first roll was a 7. Next roll. Here we go. 6 and 2. 8. Thank you to the couple people participating and announcing what we got. Here we go. 4 and 3.
Is it the first for someone to get like all of their
First person to check off all 10 of their circles. So right now, if you might have a maximum of 3 check marks or shaded in circles, 2 at 7 and 1 at 8. That's the most, like, you might only have 7 opens left. Here we go. 5 and 5. 10.
That's like, oh my gosh, I only put 1 on 10.
Way to announce your strategy to the whole class. Here we go. 3 and 3. 6.
Wait, so what happens if we
You get a sucker.
what if like someone gets 10 before you?
They get a sucker and then we restart.
What?
Hey, so Isaac just asked the questions you should have all been thinking of. Okay, so wait, what happens when we get 10? You get it, like whoever wins gets a sucker. And then they said, well, what next? I said, well, then we like restart. Everything wipes, we restart.
So basically, you have every single circle.
Check marker. Yep.
Do you want all the check?
Because these are you're getting your bonuses. That's so like now I will tell you in the game the bonus for like there are certain bonuses that are better.
I don't think
Then-
was trying not to get.
No, you want to check them out. I'm sorry that you didn't listen to the instructions. Like
Well,
I'm sorry.
I asked that. It didn't make sense.
I'm sorry. Moving on. 4 and 4. 8.
Oh,
This is a scam.
Make a new one. Just make a new one. Don't pout. Make a new one. Dude, I'll wait for you. Like, I'm sorry that we misunderstood the directions, but just make a new one. Move on. 4 and 4. Dude, you can catch up, but I mean, Jerry, you place 7 circles. Let's make it fair. Xavier, you only need to place 7. You only need to get 7 checked off. But we'll like start now. 3 and 4, that was another 7. Anyone hit all 7 of the numbers so far? Literally, you can, man. Here we go. 2 and 3. 5. Hey, I appreciate you guys not like overreacting when I go to click and I drag by accident. If the number stays the same, like you can see when the die rolls. If it doesn't actually roll, I gotta try it again. So we got the 5. Here we go. 4 and 6. 10.
You're looking up mine.
5 and 5. A lot of 10s. Here we go. 3 and 6. There's a 9 finally.
Mine don't but
I'm almost there.
Oh.
1 and 4. 5. Anyone getting close? Oh man. 3 and 6. 9.
I just need 12. Someone give me 12.
Here we go. 4 and 3. 7.
Do we all
I'm so
bingo?
Do we all bingo?
Nice gods.
3 and 2.
Just one
I'm
more.
actually a
5. Guys, I didn't hear anyone announce 5.
I'm actually a legend, guys.
Does anyone have only 1 left? Okay, don't tell us what it is. So we got 2
I already
people
know
with
her.
only 1 left.
She already told me.
I got 2 left.
Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. 6 and 4.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Like for real?
No.
Well, like this matters. We're gonna win and reset.
Girl
then.
said bingo.
Sure, you can yell bingo when you win. 3 and 6.
I'm sorry.
What is it? What is it? 9.
Oh, sorry.
9.
I need your guys' help. Addition's hard. I need your help. 5 and 4.
9.
I know William's gonna win. My chances of getting this number is
Why?
low.
6 and.
Oh!
9.
Hold up. What? Look, if an 11.
10.
1 and 2. Wait, at the same time? Both?
No.
Mila,
I had one
left.
Mila,
I have
let
the
me
evidence.
check it.
I have
You got
the
the
evidence.
Wait, when did we get a 3?
We just
Oh,
got 3.
sorry, I haven't moved the dot yet. Sorry.
I have
Yes,
one
so
left.
here we go.
Liar.
Mine was 3.
So,
I have 6.
new number line. Draw a new number line. 1 to
I'm
12.
not gonna do this.
One
Wait,
to 12.
I'm sad.
Or either you can erase your dots or you could change symbols. You could do boxes instead of dots if you want. So if you want to keep your same number line, figure out a way to new round 10. Right? 10 of whatever. Circles or boxes or whatever you're going to check off. It was 10 before.
What did you do?
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant like
Are you
number
only
line
allowed
now.
to-
Good.
No, it's you're placing 10 circles or 10 boxes.
You
The
already
goal
put 9.
is to get them marked off.
Let's do the same thing.
Yeah, you put 9.
Cheater.
Goofy.
Now if anyone at your table wins, your whole table wins. So I want you to turn towards your neighbor and talk about some strategy right now.
Okay. Good.
What is your strategy? And obviously both of you maybe shouldn't make your boards the same.
we add the bars?
You don't want to, then you have to check off once and so. Now you get 5 and they get 5 now. Nope. One board, one game board has to check off all 10. Oh, I gotta reset the game board, I guess.
Are you doing this because you have too many seconds and you just want to give them away?
No, I'm doing this because this is like my favorite lesson to teach each year.
No, I'm
'Cause
not
dice-
There's a thing now.
No, because it makes you guys motivated to actually like give a crap.
Hey, I mean, you're not wrong. No offense. You're not wrong.
What do you mean, no offense? I said it. Like it's. All right, here we go. Got your 10?
Yeah.
Hey, double check that you actually placed 10. Last class, somebody accidentally placed 13 circles,
Oh.
and then I told them tough. You have to get all 13. No, they actually did.
Oh,
And like finally, right when somebody else won, they got their 13.
Wait, what if two people won at the same time?
Both win. Yeah, that's why if Emily had just won at the same time as Mila, they both would have won.
Okay.
Thanks for the reminder.
All right, you're all just randomly placing dots on your favorite numbers, right? There's no strategy involved.
What?
There's no math.
Oh, yeah, that's strategy. What do you mean?
Okay. What do you mean? Numbers? Life is just random. You know I'm being sarcastic. Hey guys, big old slash S. If you didn't catch my sarcasm there, that was sarcasm. Online apparently slash S means this is sarcastic because there's no font. No slash S, at least online. Okay, so here we go. There obviously is some kind of strategy here. Let's go. 5 and 4. 9. Here we go. We need to speed up a bit. 6 and 2.
8.
Thank you. 1 and 5.
6.
How are we saying dang it already? Here we go. 6 and 6. She's getting solid. Alright, hold on. Here we go. Okay, so even though it's rare, does it mean it isn't gonna happen.
So early in the game.
Here we go. You ready?
Go.
Spin 5 and 2.
Yes.
Here we go. You should have been in here in 1A. 6 and 4. No. 10. 10. That was not 9. Please make sure. Hey,
Sorry.
please double check. We've only had 9 once. A couple people shouted out. No, we've only had 9 once. This was 10. Here we go. 1 and 6. 7.
Okay, I think I actually.
Here we go. 3 and 5.
Really
where's
good.
8?
This is really good.
This is good. This is good. 2 and 3.
Oh my God.
5.
I know. Shut up.
All right, look. Here we go. 2 and 2.
Oh no. Who picked? Oh, no offense, but who picked? Them probably. This is barely a way more.
It's just dice.
It's what? It's more than dice.
Dice is like 3 and 1.
What the heck?
Another 4. Yeah, who picks 4? Jeez. Here we go. Here we go. 5 and 3. 8. 8.
Don't.
Yahtzee? You got all 10?
You did?
What? Shane.
You did?
Duh, dang. That's where we had them from the beginning. We erased before the beginning of the round. All right, just making sure. All right, come get a sucker.
What? I only had one.
Okay.
Yes.
Do we feel like that was like really fast and
Yes.
Shane was just very strict? Should we keep this round going?
Yes.
We'll go for one more winner. Okay, then we're gonna reset again.
Okay, good.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
2 and 6.
Dang it.
Calm yours. Keep them in
Calm your okay. Be stable, bro.
My horses are not stable.
2 and 5.
That's what I just done. We just love holding holes.
I'm gonna just say my friends. So like, because like, you know, when you say JC, it can like offend some people. Or I was like, why don't we just like say Harry Potter? So I'm like, Harry Potter.
Harry
It's
Potter.
the same. Like,
Oh,
all right, here we go.
Oh my god.
2 and 2.
No!
No, like, what's happening?
Harry, play the dice!
Here we go.
The dice are biased.
2 and 3.
Yes! Oh my god.
One more.
Yes!
Gage is 1 away.
We're one away!
Here we go. 5 and 6.
Yes!
This is like
Yes. Bro!
1 and 2.
Yes!
Come on,
What do you need?
1 and 4.
I'm ready.
No one.
I need that.
What?
I should have picked one. No, like
All right, here we go. 6 and 1.
Yes! 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 One away, one away, one away. Same!
Hold on. Now you know that I can't impact the dice. But so Gage, you're 1 away. What number are you looking for? A 9. You're looking for a 10. Hold on. Hey, let me like teach for a minute. I know we're having a good like let me. So hold on. Gage is looking for a 9. He says. Emily, you guys are looking for a what? 10. A 10. Which is more likely, 9 or 10? 9 is more likely than 10. And we can go back to our dice table and talk. What are you guys looking for? Hold on. Which is more likely, a 6 or a 9? A 6 is actually more. It doesn't look like it here by our results, but theoretically. Hey guys, I'm like doing like a little bit of teaching. Remember, theoretically, in theory, 6 is more likely than 9. Does that mean it's actually excuse me, actually gonna be more likely? It depends on what happens this round. So let's see what happens this round. Here we go. 4 and... Yeah, so what, I got a lot of suckers to get out. Reset. New round.
I would be happy, but not throwing my friend.
You guys still? New round.
I'm too excited.
We're using up the whole team before I come join. We have 4 mysteries left. According to probability, my students do not like mystery suckers. That's what the probability shows. Alright. We're still playing team table, or table teams. Right? So, you might, maybe not set your board up exactly like another person at your table, because otherwise you're both going to be looking for exactly the same thing. So maybe one of you give a bit more diversity to your results. Maybe one of you trust the theoretical probability.
Last time we got
Didn't even know you.
So if we're doing it as a team, is it if one person
Sure.
wins or
The whole table. Yeah.
like if
So if
it's
Liam
one-
wins, you get a sucker too.
Well, is it like if he gets 5 and I get
Nope.
5?
So one single board has to check off all 10. Because otherwise, Xavier, it actually wouldn't be fair that they're all 3 together, but it doesn't actually increase their chance really for 3 boards versus 2. Doesn't really change much. Alright, ready?
I am ready.
Double check that you have 10. Make sure you didn't go over. Make sure you have all 10.
8, 9.
Ready?
I am ready.
Here we go. 6 and 5?
11.
Right off the bat, we got an 11.
First time
No one's excited, so.
I know. Did anyone have 11? Nobody. Guys, I mean, 12 is super.
Then I erased it.
How many?
No, that's not a good idea.
How many ways are there to make an 11?
One. It's a secret. We're all aware.
2. Hey, real quick. Remember, because at some point I have to maybe actually teach you not just play games. So remember, 6 and 5, purple, white, versus you could also do 5 and 6. There are technically 2 ways to make an 11. But at 12, there's actually only 1 way. So it makes sense that 11 should be more likely than 12. All right, here we go. 4 and 5? 9.
Dang it.
Here we go. 4 and 5? Is it likely that you get the exact same thing twice in a row? No. Does that mean it will never happen? No. Like, yeah, it's like, come on.
Yeah.
5 and 1.
Let's go.
6. Guys, I need your help to add these up. Math is hard. I need your help to add these up. 5 and 5. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 and 6.
8.
8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has anyone hit all 5 circles? So, well, actually, nobody hit on 11, so never mind. 5 and 6.
11. Oh my
Again?
God!
No one's picking
The one is good, guys.
Guys, this sort of like waiting for and then getting disappointed. I'm gonna circle back and again say casinos will take your money. They'll happily take your money. All the time rolling dice with you waiting for the thing that you think should happen. Like, I want you to remember this disappointment of like, what the heck? Do not what? No, but I'm trying to fight against people thinking that gambling is somehow like a sure thing. No, even when you know the math, it's not a sure thing. All right, here we go. 2 and 3. 5. And guys, I'm not saying like let's shut down the casino. My sister-in-law works there, like in the executive level, but like.
My uncle works there, and
Yeah.
so does my other cousin.
Well, aside from our recording, we should talk about they probably know each other. Because there's not that many people. 3 and 3. 6.
They work. My uncle, he works for Meals Park, so.
Oh, I'm talking about Columbus.
Well, that's what happened.
4 and 1. 5.
Let's go.
We haven't gotten a single 7 yet. That's interesting.
I may or may not have
Here we
done
go.
3 cents.
Here we go. 6 and 5.
Come on.
Oh,
Go
away.
away.
I know it.
Here we go.
No, we like it.
4 and 1. 5.
I see
Here we
3
go. Here we go.
No.
7, 8, 9.
Okay.
5.
5, 8.
Now wait, hold on. Is the white die waiting to see what the purple die comes up? So hold on. Are these die, each one like versus each, are they independent or dependent? They're independent. They do not care. They can even happen totally separately. We then have to do the math and add them up. But yeah, there's no impact, right? They're each individual. They're independent. And somehow they're making a lot of 5s. All right, here we go. 2 and 1. 3. We should probably speed up. 4 and 5. 9. 6 and 4. 10. Here we go. 2 and 2. 4. Anyone getting close?
No.
Bianca's getting close.
I'm 6 away.
3 and 5. 8. Bianca, how many do you have
Yes,
left?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, this is so cool.
4. Shane, you have 3.
I have 3.
3.
I have 4.
Here we go. Here we go. 3 and 6.
9.
9.
Are you serious?
Here we go.
Where's the 7?
Yeah.
3 and 2.
Where are the
3 and 5. For a second I thought we were going Here we go. 5 and 5.
You serious right now? I love
This, oh, like,
Oh, crap.
no, Bullcrap's a card game.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I hate everything you stand
6 and 3.
Are you serious? Where's the 7? It's like the
The 7 is what
Speed it up, come on.
Hold on.
The 7 is
Wait.
Everybody take a deep breath.
No.
Push it all out.
Give 4 eyes up.
Guys, again, does theoretical probability mean that's what's gonna happen? No! Let's go. 3 and 4. But it will eventually. That time it could. So, no, for real. Like, this is the thing I'm trying to get you to see is yes, 7 is very likely. So if we haven't got it in a long time, it's probably gonna happen eventually, but it might not, right? Like it might not. 1 away. All right, here we go. Here we go. 2 and 4. 6. Here we go. Here we go. 5 and 5. 10. I'm running out of dots. Here we go. 5 and 1. Nobody? I can't
I'm
tell.
gonna fall asleep.
No? Okay. Here we go. 3 and 6. Everyone sits down. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm so excited. I'm sweating. How many groups are 1 away? How many groups are 2 away? Oh. All right, ready?
I need to wait on a second.
4 and 1.
I'm
It's all
leaving.
about confidence.
I guess.
You gotta be confident when you roll this stuff. All right, here. Nobody yet? Okay, here we go. 2 and 5. I'm guessing suckers. Reset. We're gonna do one more. Reset.
I'm not doing one more. This is weak.
I want my
Hey, those of you that just won, see me after class because I need to reset my suckers.
Okay, absolutely.
One more.
This is absolutely.
Everybody choose one.
For what? Everybody choose one.
Now, Xavier, why is that funny for you to tell everyone choose one?
Because it's impossible to get one.
Now, is this rigged? No, I just gave you the option to make a silly choice. It's up to you, the choice you make. If you turn your brain on and think about it, you realize, oh, 1 is silly. Is 12 silly like 1 is?
No.
Why kind of, Caleb?
Because it is possible, but it's really
It is possible, but it's really rare.
I'm not actually. I'm doing.
Alright, here we go. Speed round. I need your help adding, though, to make sure we do our math right. Speed round.
Do it.
Got your 10 down?
Oh, hip is.
Here we go. 6 and 2.
8.
Yep.
8. Moving on. 6 and 6.
Oh.
That's twice 8.
Here we go. 2 and 2.
4.
Ah, roll. 3 and 1.
This is
3 and 4. There's our 7.
Yay, finally.
2 and 4.
That's 6.
Yeah, 2 and 4. 1 and 5. Ooh, 6. Careful, that's a 6. That's a 6. Oh, my bad. Thank you. Seriously,
Yeah,
thank
see,
you.
this is
1 and 1.
2.
Ooh, and a 12 and a 2. 4 and 1. 5.
Yes, go.
3 and 5.
8, let's go! Yes. 3 more.
1 and 1.
What?
God, it can happen, even though it's rare. 6 and 4. But guys, this is how you know the computer's actually random. Guys, if the computer was just programmed to do what we know should happen, we'd get the same results every time. This is actually random.
3 more.
1, 3, 4, grow. 6 and 3, 9,
Yes, so. 2 more, come on. I need ow.
5 and 1, 4 and 1,
Yes.
2
What?
more. 3 more.
Yes, 3 more.
2 and 1,
Oh my god.
5 and 2.
Yes. Wait, why would you?
Here we go. 2 and 2.
What?
You know what's actually happening?
we both
Hold on. Gage is looking at me like I'm breaking his heart. I'm not in control of this. It's just. Okay, here we go. 5 and 4. Here we go. 1 and 2. Here we go. Here we go. 4 and 2. Is that a win? All right, pack it up. Unless you won, pack it up. That's it. Unless you won, like, there we go. There we go. All right, have a great day, friends.
no.
This game is great.
Every time I think the wrong number it went to.
I don't like this game.
It's like, it's life.
away every single time.
I'm the only one that ever beat
All right, if you won, come over and get a sucker.